Hello, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Today we're going to be going over the PM kit for the Tuttnauer EZ9. Inside this kit we have a door gasket. The door gasket is an annual preventative maintenance part. However, if you are running consecutive or back-to-back cycles, this might need to be changed more often. It comes with a single Chamber Bright tablet. Chamber Bright should be used on a weekly basis to clean the reservoir, the valves, as well as the chamber. This kit comes with a new HEPA filter. The HEPA filter is what filters the air from the outside going into the chamber during the drying cycle. This kit comes with 4 new valve stems as well as plungers, a new safety release valve, which is located inside the reservoir, along with the air jet valve. And this kit also has a preventative maintenance guide. This will show you step by step how to change these parts. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support, and please like and follow. Thank you.